Alright, so we got through stuff like 18 yesterday. Did we have any questions about them? Did we finish it? Okay, we'll wait and go over them tomorrow then, or at the end of class day, depending on how much time we have. So 19 through 28 says to identify which of the 12 basic functions fit the description given. So looking at 106. Alright. So the 6 functions of the 12 basic functions that are increasing on their entire domain. So which functions are increasing? So as x gets bigger, y is getting bigger all the way across. Definitely not squaring function, because that at some point is decreasing. What'd you say? Which one? Yes. The logistic function, cubing function, that at some point is decreasing. It's already up there. What? Natural log. There's one more. That at some point is decreasing. Yes, the identity function. Okay, so those are the ones that are increasing on their entire domain. Let's see. 22, the 3 functions with infinitely many local extrema. Like mins and maxes. So cosine x, sine x, and what's the other one? It's got to be one of the basic ones. Nope. Nope. Yes, the integer function. Okay, because each of those little ones have their own extrema because they're each on an individual line. Alright, 24. 3 functions with range being all real numbers. So that means that they go from negative infinity to positive infinity on the y. Which one? Not x squared. We already said that one. Y equals x is identity function. Yes, natural log. Okay, so those cover a range of all values of y, so that's why those ones are. Alright, 26. The three functions within behavior, the limit as x goes to negative infinity of f of x is equal to negative infinity. So as basically the x values get more negative, the y values are getting negative. Yep, the integer function is 1. Nope. So as x goes to negative infinity, okay, so as x goes really far to the left, it's saying that its y value is going really far down. Cubing function? No. Hold on. What did you just say? Yeah. Oh, 3. No. Y equals x. Okay, the reason that the reciprocal is not is because as x gets really negative, that y value is actually going to 0. When x is like -1, then yes, it's going to negative infinity. Because it would be, with that one, we're looking at what happens as x gets really far out here, and that's going up to 0. So we're looking for what's happening when it goes all the way down to negative infinity. So that's why that one wouldn't have been. Alright, let's see. Two functions whose graphs are identical except for a horizontal shift. Yep, sine and cosine. All you have to do is shift it to the right and you have it lined up. Or left. Let's see. For 35 through 42, I just want us to do is the function odd, even, or neither, so just part B. Okay, so part B only. Alright. 36. F of x is equal to the sine of x plus 5. So how do I check if it is even or odd or neither? Plug in negative x. So the sine of negative x is plus 5. Now what? What can I do with that negative? Or does it stay there? It just stays there. So can I do anything with it? So if it stays there, then what kind of function would this be? Correct. Let's see. 38 q of x is equal to e to the x plus 2. And plug in negative x. What does that give me? So basically this just gives me 1 over e to the x plus 2. It's actually neither because it doesn't give you out the original function. The function would have to stay the same for it to do that. So that one is also neither. Try to see if there's one that's not. It either has to stay the same or you have to have a negative out front. Like for the whole function to become negative, basically. Or the whole function to become opposite than what it was. Let me see if there's one that we can do that's not neither. Probably not, though, based on this. Just kidding. 40. G of x is equal to 4 times the cosine of x. Meaning, yeah, hold on. This one's supposed to be even, I think. Hold on, I need to check because oh, they're wanting us to do them as graphs. Not doing it this way. Okay, just this one should be even. I'm not going to have you do that. I was thinking we were just going to do them. Yeah, no, don't worry about it. So you can just ignore those last 3. We won't do those. And we're just going to be done with the section because that's really all you need to know from this one. So I'll add on we can go over them tomorrow or at the end of class. If y'all finish, we can go over it. Okay, so I'm just adding on 19 through 27 odd. If we finish, we can go over them.